In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called iOS 18 Launcher. Remember that it has to be from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to use it, set it up by tapping on Get Started, accepting terms and conditions and choosing Continue twice. Then make sure to click while using or allow in all available pop-ups. Finally, close another. Adjust all of those options, and when you're finished, click on Set as Default at the top. Lastly, to apply your launcher, just click on it and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default launcher, all you need to do is open the same launcher app, tap on Set as Default and choose System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!